Hopefully you can hear me, but I started out today thinking I was just going to have a little fun. Got a little bit of unexpected snow. They were calling for a little bit, but so far we've got 6 inches. As you can see, it's still coming down, and they're calling for about another 4 tomorrow. So I thought I would put my earbuds on, in a light shirt, just have a little fun. Not going to record anything, just go out and clear the snow. So I put my plow on, which had that broken pin that I talked about a little bit last video. I put the pin back in, but it just didn't look right. When I put it back in, and I was able to do part of my driveway, got my neighbor's driveway done, and then it looked like the pin slid out again. So I'm going to have to go to the dealer and just see what's up with that.
Through Frontier, I've seen anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks just to get parts in through Frontier.
Yeah. Okay.
It runs $12.38.
Is that a pair or is that just for one?
That's just one.
Yeah. I'm wondering if I should just grab 2. Just, I don't know how much stress was put on the other one when that one came off.
Right.
Why don't we just do 2?
Order 2 of them? Okay.
I picked up new pins, and when I was looking at the schematic, it just looked like a simple large pin, and I thought this part was just to keep the pin from coming out, but they are fused together. So I got a lot of comments saying that if I had a welder that I should just weld this right back onto the pin. I don't have a welder. Occasionally I might be near somebody that does, so I'm going to hang on to it and see if they can weld it back on, and I'll have it for a spare. But in the meantime, I bought 2 new ones. My first attempt at putting this on was with the plow blade flat against the concrete floor, and I end up having to loosen the spring up a little bit, and that still wasn't going on very easy. So then I ended up tipping the plow blade back perpendicular with the floor, and that seemed to work a little bit easier. Put the retaining bolt back in, snugged it up, got out my grease gun, and now I'm ready for another large snowstorm. Now back to getting stuck. Originally I intended just to go out by myself without videoing or anything, just putting some earbuds in and just having fun on the tractor. We got about 4 or 5 inches of snow, and we were supposed to get another 6 inches tomorrow, so I just wanted to clean things up a little bit. We still have about 12 to 14 from the first snowstorm, so now we're getting up to about 17 inches of snow piling up. I'm just in a light long sleeve shirt, and I'm cruising down the driveway, just dressing it up, cleaning it up with the loader. And since I'm using the loader and not a plow, I mean the plow pushes things right off to the side, but with the loader you kind of have to encroach into the deeper snow a little bit to dump it. Got a little rhythm going. I go forward about 30-40 feet, loader gets a little full, pull off to the side a little bit, dump it. As I'm pulling off to the side and dumping a load of snow with the loader, my rear tire gets caught in some pretty deep snow, and there's a little bit of an elevation change and a steepness to the right, and I just kept spinning the tires and it just kept going over and over and got myself stuck. Tried using the loader to move me out, but that just made it worse and pushed me into deeper snow and some pretty soft mud. My first thought is to just do something really simple and quick to get out. So I grab a tow strap, I go get my pickup truck, I go get Karen, have her drive the truck.
Very gently go
I
forward.
just thought I'd do something quick and dirty.
Stop.
That only took 2 seconds to realize that that was not going to work. I repositioned the tow strap. I put it around the main frame of the, just behind the axle, and we tried again. I do have it in 4-wheel. I am going back and forth, locking the differential in the rear. It's not moving in the slightest. The truck does not have enough traction to do really anything positive, and it feels like I'm just trying to drive against a brick wall. It's been a couple years since I've been stuck, so I figure I am due. I did try using the backhoe, and the tractor is at a pretty severe angle, and I'm a little worried about tipping it if it goes any further into the yard. I got the shovel out just to kind of see what I'm dealing with, just how much snow and how much mud. I think I have the right idea, but that back tire is still too recessed into the ground. So that was an update of what happened with our plow, how it broke, how we repaired it, and hopefully we won't need to use any more of those pins in the future. And then I just thought I would share with you me getting stuck. Like I said, I went out there to just enjoy myself and not have to worry about documenting anything, and then I end up being in a position where maybe I should start recording this. So I appreciate everybody watching these videos. Hope you like and subscribe. Click on that little bell when you want to know when a new one is coming out. And keep an eye on us. Take care, everybody.